Hey Divas and Divos. So this, oh my God, like something just started draining. My nose just started draining down just that quickly. Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, just Londa, and I wanted to give you my take on a first date makeup look and two outfits. Okay, so I have something that's a little bit more sassy, and then I have something that's just more for like, okay, I don't want to show him the goodies, but I just want to look cute and flirty. So yeah. Um Also, this is just a look. Okay, you don't have to go by this look. I just think that looking youthful, looking innocent, that that will get you a second date. That and your personality, of course. But you don't want to look over exaggerated. You don't want too much of a darky, smoky eye. Like this is a simple smoky eye. I wouldn't call it smoky, but I mean it is a little bit smoky because it is. It's a little bit smoky, but it's soft. It's natural. It's you looking young and you're looking innocent. And I think when you're looking for a partner and you want your partner to respond back to you, you want someone to be like, okay, she's looking like a real meal, not a snack. You want to look like a full course meal. So I'm going to go ahead and give you this look. I'm going to give you two outfits. And yeah, that's it, Divas and Divos. Let me know if you recreate this look. I did not say what palette I used or anything like that, but I just wanted to concentrate and focus on the look. And yeah, you don't have to use these shadows. Like some people might like cool tones better than warm tones, but this is what I chose, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage, Divas and Divos. Hi, we're up and close and personal, aren't we? Alright, so I've already prepped my face. I didn't prime it, but I prepped it, and I've got my concealer on as my base, and I've got my transitional color, which is my powder, into my backdrop. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. No, I don't know what I want to do. I just know that you want to look very innocent. All right. Even if you're not innocent, we're trying to get to the second date. Okay. I want to put an additional color in my backdrop. So I'm going to take a color that is quite close to my skin tone, and it has like a mustardy warm color, and I'm going to take that and put that an additional in my backdrop, just like so. And all that is doing is just making a little mark for it. So we're trying to get to we're trying to go get a second date, right? You don't want to scare him, okay? I don't know what I mean by that, but you know what I mean. I'm going to take a darker red brown, looks like this hair. So that's the darker red brown we're going to go with. We're going to start intensifying our look, okay? So lightly into the crease, a little lower than where you put your initial color. But we want to build this up quite slowly because we want to look as innocent as possible. I'm going to focus more in my crease and then in the out of V. I'm going to go in with another red brown, and this is quite darker than the other one. It has a burgundy undertone. So this is what we lay down right there. This is what we're going to lay down now. And we're just going to load that up. That color, we're going to now blend it out for the harshness. And it's just a wash of color, so don't worry about how high you should take it, because you want it to concentrate that color right there. I'm going to take that same color again with the same brush and just hit that outer V hair. Staying within that socket bone right here. And whatever's on the brush, just kind of sweep it into the crease. Just a little, not much. We're not trying to deepen it or anything. That same pack of brush, we're going to go in with a deeper burgundy, and it's almost black. You can use the black, but we don't want to because we still want this to be quite soft. So this is what I'm talking about here. This is a deeper burgundy that we're going to use, and we're going to sweep that in the lash lines. Ooh, I'm quite hungry. Go back with that second red brown that we use, and we just want to make sure everything is still blended just a little bit. You don't want to pick up a lot because, again, we're going for the second date. We just want to look innocent. We want him to be like, dang. That's what we're looking for. We want the eyes to be dreamy. So we're going to go in with that peach looking color right there. And that's going to go onto the mobile lid. Ooh, this is too stiff. If you notice, I had to switch my brush because it was too stiff for what the look that I'm trying to go for. Because again, we're trying to, we want to win his first impressions. Was like, okay, you know, someone with some class. Now, again, if you kind of lost some of that color, don't worry about it. Just go back into your colors and just kind of line it a little. And then blend it out. For the inner tear ducts, we're going to take this pinky champagne shade here. Right here, and that's what we used on our lid, and this is what we're going to use in the corner. I want to kind of take some of the stock out of it because it's quite light for what I want. So we're going to go in with this pinky shade here and just go on top of it. All right, so I'm going to go in and do like my base and everything. Go in with your best primer. That's what I'm going to say. Go in with your best primer. You want something that's going to make you look youthful. For me, youthful is something that has like a little bit of dewiness to it. So if you're like my daughter and you're a little sweaty beast, then you would want to go in with a mattifying primer to prime the skin first and then go in with something that's going to be a little bit dewy, or you can add some drops in there, anything that's going to reflect, because that's what we want to look youthful, we want to look innocent. So let me go ahead, put on my concealer and stuff, and we'll end up doing the lower lash and everything else. All right, so I have my base and everything on. Light contour, okay? Very light bronzing, very light contour, something very natural, very subtle, okay? We want the second take. Oh, don't forget your personality. I've also put mascara on my lashes so I can kind of see where I'm going with this. Make sure that I'm leading you in the right direction. I don't want to be telling you something and you look like who done it and why. So I'm just going to take a brown pencil and just line my my waterline, and maybe a little bit of my lash line. I don't know yet. Let me just see what I want first. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just cover my lash line as well. So now that initial red brown is what we're going to go in with first with the top. Because I lost some of my inner tear duct because of my eye boogies, I go in with my inner corner and just kind of recover, kind of connect it to the lower lash. So for my highlight over my brow, I really don't like to do that. I'm going to take a hair, and then this is the color for the inner tear ducts, but we're gonna mix those two together and get this color right here. And I just want to touch the highest part of my brow. That looks nice. We look like someone's meal, aren't we? We look like someone's meal. We don't want to be a snack. We want to be a meal. The second red brown that we're going to use, that is what we're going to use to kind of be a little bit more of a liner for us, okay? Because we don't want that much smoke. We don't want to be that. We don't want to be that girl yet. Not on the first date. And just for a little bit more smoke, I just want to go back into that first color and just kind of smoke it out just a little bit more underneath. Kind of blend everything together so it doesn't look sectioned off. Let's do this. Let me come back, tell you what I've done, lashes and stuff like that, and then we'll get into the outfits. All right, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my lip, I used a brownie lip color. I did go in with a darker lip liner. I lined my lip first with a dark brown lip liner. Then I went on ahead and filled it in with a brownie lip stick. And then I used the topper of the gloss. It has like a gold base to it with some glitter into it. So it kind of gives it that shine and a little bit more. So it looks like this. So this is the lipstick here, and then that is the lip gloss there. The lashes are quite natural. Now you don't have to use false lashes. However, I decided to use false lashes because I just wanted that extra oomph. I also put mascara on my bottom lash line as well. And I think pinning your hair up is like I think it's flattering for all face shapes, face shapes. So I just put my hair up into a ponytail, and I have some dangling earrings on. Sorry, I keep looking over there. I just want to make sure that I'm kind of in frame. I have on some dangling earrings. So I'm going to switch into my outfits. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, rating, subscribing. I lost my train of thought just that quick, but thank you for watching, rating, subscribing. Peace and peace, Divas and Divos. Bye. Alright, Divas and Divos. This first look is a white dress. Now, you might not want to wear a white dress, but I chose to wear a white dress. You can wear it in black, but it's just a fitted white dress with some glittery shoes that just sets everything off. The next outfit is a tutu, actually. Yeah, it's a tutu and a button-up shirt with some blue shoes to go with the jean theme that's in the shirt. And yeah, I actually, because my boobs are quite fluffy in the bra and everything, and just to get a little bit more of a sex appeal, I did not button the buttons all the way down. I have a little bit of cleavage showing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, Divas and Divos. Alright, Divas and Divos, so I hope you enjoyed this everything. Thanks for watching. Peace and peace. Bye.